Are you fed up with having to take pills every single time you have the flu or a cold? Do you think twice about taking medications to relieve sore muscles, painful joints, but don't know any other way to ease the pain? In today's video, you will learn about the amazing things that taking lemon water can do to improve your health. Watch the video until the end, and don't be surprised if you find yourself getting rid of a good number of the things you keep in your medicine cabinet. Research shows that lemon water is a healthy and safe substitute for many drugs. It is an incredibly powerful antioxidant. It is rich in vitamin C and contains potassium, phosphorus, folate, carbohydrates, vitamin B, and volatile oils. It has pectin, citric acid, calcium, magnesium, limonene, and bioflavonoids. Because of all these natural plant compounds, lemon water provides a wide range of health benefits. Drink lemon water on a regular basis and you will enjoy the following health benefits. Number 1. You get healthier and better looking skin. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C. The vitamin helps prevent wrinkles and sun damage. It prevents acne breakouts. The water helps to keep the skin moisturized and to prevent dryness and other signs of early aging. Number 2. You prevent the formation of kidney stones. You get kidney stones when waste products form and crystallize in your kidneys. These stones are more likely to build up in an acidic environment. The citric acid in lemon has citrate, a component that, oddly enough, alkalizes urine and makes it less acidic. This prevents the formation of kidney stones. Citrate, together with the water in the juice, breaks up small stones and flushes them out of your system. Number 3. You prevent gallbladder pain. Drinking lemon juice not only prevents kidney stones from forming, it also prevents and eases gallbladder pain. Number 4. You ease the discomforts associated with GERD or Gastro Esophageal Reflux Disease. Lemon water may taste a bit sour, however, it is alkaline forming. It helps neutralize acids in the stomach. Drink lemon water on a regular basis and you can look forward to easing the discomforts associated with GERD within a couple of weeks. Number 5. You enjoy better digestion. Lemon water is a natural laxative. It prevents constipation. It jumpstarts digestion and helps flush out toxins. It keeps the digestive system healthy and well-functioning. Number 6. You enjoy stronger immunity from illnesses. Lemon water boosts the lymphatic system, which, together with the immune system, gets rid of pathogens in your body. Number 7. You are better able to prevent cough, cold, and flu. The vitamin C in lemon juice has a strong antiviral and antibacterial properties that help prevent and treat diseases like the common cold, flu, and cough. Number 8. You relieve inflammation and pain in the joints. Pain and swelling in the joints are usually caused by the buildup of uric acid, which in turn causes painful inflammation. Lemon juice neutralizes the acidity of uric acid and prevents its buildup. It helps prevent arthritis and inflammation in the joints. Number 9. You prevent sore muscles after a heavy workout. Soothe your sore muscles after exercise by taking a glass of lemon water. You will feel the tension ease out of those tight muscles. Number 10. You avoid weight gain. Many people swear that drinking lemon water helps in weight management. Lemon has soluble pectin fiber and other plant compounds that help to suppress appetite, give a sense of fullness, and control food cravings. It is not surprising that an increasing number of people are taking lemon water first thing in the morning. The habit helps boost the immune system. It also helps control food cravings, alkalizes the body, flushes out toxins, improves digestion, and eases a variety of pains and aches. Do you find this video helpful? If you do, we would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends so that they can also benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thank you for watching.